My name's Jon Ives. I'm one of the directors for OneStaff and also the area manager for Auckland branch or Auckland region of OneStaff. With any large population comes a large workforce. There's a lot of industrial development going on, particularly out Drury way, which is ramping up. Further to that, other areas are obviously logistics as well. The more Auckland grows, the more it becomes a logistical hub, and that spans out into the Golden Triangle of Hamilton and Tauranga as well. So effectively, logistics and construction are probably the two largest areas, but there's a lot of ancillary industries that feed off the back of those two. I would say carpenters is a very high profile role. There are lots of different projects going on nationally, and obviously Auckland has to compete to get its share of the skill base. With a candidate type market and large projects like the Christchurch rebuild, as well as a lot of work going on in Wellington with Transmission Gully and potentially Auckland and Hamilton coming up as well. Carpentry is one of those areas where it's a high demand type industry, particularly for trade qualified individuals. Another area would be in civil works, works and infrastructure. Obviously a lot of large scale infrastructure projects that were put in place during the GFC. This has created a demand. Again, Transmission Gully in Wellington and Christchurch rebuild soaking up a lot of the resource nationally. Auckland has a lot of large-scale projects happening at the same time, so it's really companies are going to have to pay a higher dollar in order to attract the higher calibre candidates. As Auckland keeps growing, so too does OneStaff in Auckland region. We've in fact just been named in the top 50 fastest growing companies in New Zealand, specifically for our Auckland operation. As well as that, we're looking at further expansion over the next year to 2 years with another 2 branches in the Auckland region to continue building the candidate-centric approach that we have to locations.